Hi, today we're going to show how to create detailed trails and itineraries on Localista. We will assume you already have a public user login and know how to create lists. If not, we advise you spend some time looking at the other tutorials and come back later. The plan today is to create a one-day itinerary for touring the wineries of Margaret River. The first step is to log in by selecting the person icon on the navigation bar and switch to the My Favorites mode. I've already created a list called Margaret River Winery Day Trip and selected 8 wineries I would like to visit. Now I need to edit my trail. By switching from map to trail view, I can already see that the trail is a bit of a mess. I need to reorder my itinerary. I can do this by clicking and dragging the cards. For this trip, I want to start our journey at Windows Estate, so I move that card to the top of the list, and I want to end our trip at Clairot for dinner, so I move this to the end. In the list panel, the trip summary shows me that my drive time is now 1 hour and 26 minutes, which is a bit long, so to save time, I'll cut Burnside Winery out of the list. I can do this by selecting the heart button on Burnside Winery and deselecting from the Margaret River list. I can further edit the trail by selecting Edit from the list panel, where I can choose mode of transport and also start time, which in this case we will make 10 AM, and then hit save. By selecting notes on an individual card, I can also edit each of the individual stopovers. So for example, I'll put a note on Windows Estate saying, starting here for breakfast, and then change the stopover time to 1 hour. I can also add some additional notes about the menu, the wine, or whatever I choose, but to save time, we'll leave that for now. Hit save and you can see the notes appear in the Windows Estate card. You can do this for each of the cards in turn, and with that done, your trail is complete. To save time, here's what your trail will look like when it's all finished. Once completed, you have a couple more options. If you want a PDF or hard copy of your trail, select Print from the list panel, and you can see the entire trail is mapped out, including details for each waypoint, arrival, stopover and departure times, the time it takes to reach the next stopover, and very detailed directions. To share these details with your travel companions, select the share icon on the navigation bar and send using email or social media. If they have a Localista user login of their own, they can save this and have access to all the same functions. To display your trail on a website or blog, select Edit, and you can find your list ID at the bottom of the pop-up. Using the content generator, add this to a smart link and your trail will appear. You can even create your own personal listings, such as the location of your house or a favorite picnic site with image and description included, and then add that to your trail. But for that, you'll need to see our tutorial on creating personal listings. So that's all you need to know to get started. Have a play, and if you have any queries, email or call us at Localista. Enjoy.